Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Livy and this is my first game of season 15, and actually I am downgraded to Platinum 5. So don't judge me if there are many bots in the server. So let's get started with the video. I'm dropping in mid stain obviously. Then I hear get the gun, my first gun SLR over here. Here my teammate gets knocked out by a person and I just keep that in mind, and I keep the username also in mind so that if there is any person other than himself to kill him. So I heard some footsteps in this from this house, and I could have killed this guy. I could have killed this guy if I threw the grenade in the other window, but I unfortunately couldn't. So it is what it is. I killed him later, but so here I saw a person killing a bot. I killed that person, and I realized that this was the person who killed my teammate. So I finished him directly, and I didn't give him a single chance to get revived. So here I saw his teammate going into that building. So I thought I should close in on him so I could probably throw a grenade and kill him. So I came in this building to shorten the distance, but I threw a grenade over here, but unfortunately it didn't kill him or knock him. So actually he wasn't there only. He actually came in the house at the right side, this wooden house at the right. I heard some footsteps from this house. I was like, are there 3 persons over here? But then I realized that this is the same person who went into the building. So I just killed this person over here. He gets knocked out over here. Then I heard some firing at me from the mountains at the southwest side, and I was just keeping an eye over there so that no one kills me from there or knocks me out from over there. When I saw a person running over here, I knocked him out with my M16 reload. Then I reloaded my gun. Then I saw there is one more person over there. Then I saw there are almost 3 people over there. One was knocked, and this person, I tried to knock him. I gave him like 3 hits, but he went behind the car. Then his teammate gave me a brilliant cover fire. So I went behind the ball to heal and take some meds. So here at this time he was speaking at me. I was so tempted to shoot at him with my SLR, but I couldn't. And my teammate knocked and finished both of those teammates. So here we killed the squad, and mid-chain was clear over here. Then we reached over here. There was a person over here. Right about now, he was lying behind the tree. So I killed him as well and secured my 5th kill. I got the 6x over here, and someone started shooting at us from the back. So I was just blind firing over here to find out where was the person over here. Then I started jumping so that he shoots from me and I get a proper idea where he is. So at this point of time, I thought that he was behind the shed. So I was thinking to throw a grenade at him at this point, but right about now, I think 2-3 seconds later, he threw a molly on me, a Molotov cocktail right about now. So now I was sure that he is behind the shed. So I pulled the grenade. I took position to throw at him. I threw the grenade at this point. Then he was running at me at this point. The grenade was at his top of his head, so he probably got some damage. Then I killed him with my M416. We came over here. Then I saw a person over here. He tried to shoot at me. I didn't shoot at him because M416 is not so good at long range. I mean, it's good, but I am not that good at long range with M416. So I just saw that there is one person. Then I tried to knock this person out. Then I saw the second person over here. I tried to knock him out, but I couldn't. Then I saw the third person here. I could have knocked him, but my bullets were finished. So I was kind of pissed over here because I could have knocked someone easily when no one got knocked out. So I was sure that there are 4 people over here. I knocked out this person over here. Then there was a person at the left side behind the rock, so I was keeping an eye over there. I threw a grenade over here just to be sure that if there is no one over there peeking at us with a Kar 98 and 6x. So okay, it was clear over here right now. I saw his glittering helmet over here. and I knocked him out. So I tried to finish him out, but I couldn't finish him out, but later I got his kill. Then my teammate rushed towards them, then I told him no, because this wasn't the right time to rush at them, because they were in cover and we weren't. And I got my 8th kill over here right about now. I think the person died from the zone. So my teammate was actually creating a lot of panic in that room, so that was pretty good for him. So in panic, a person jumped out of the house and went to the rock at the right side. I tried to knock him out, but I couldn't knock him out at this point. But then he peeked towards me, like I got my 8 kill over. Then he peeked towards me, and the only thing I could see was his head, so he had to be knocked out. Then a total of 2 people were remaining over here. Then my teammate started shooting over here, and I was thinking where was his teammate. Then I saw a helmet over here. Then I saw, is that a person? And then I shot it at him. Then I knocked out another person. Then his teammate jumped from the window and came over here, and I wiped the whole squad alone. And these were Indonesian people as well, so they weren't noob also. So here I killed the last person over here, which was very easy. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and road to 40k is on, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.